Welcome to KonnectzIT tutorials. In this video, we are going to explore how Google Sheets and Coda can be integrated. Coming to Google Sheets, it is an online spreadsheet program, and then come to Coda, it is a document management solution. Now the task is how to create row in Coda from Google Sheets. Right now, I am in KonnectzIT dashboard page. Before going to workflow, we need to authorize the applications. To authorize applications, navigate to apps page. Now search for Google Sheets. Hit on application, then click on add account. It is an auth based authorization, so here we need to select the particular account, and then you need to give permission for the application, so you need to hit on continue. This is how we need to authorize Google Sheets. Now search for Coda, hit on that application, hit on add account. To authorize Coda, we need API token that is available in Coda account. Go to your Coda account, hit on your profile, three dots, and then here we need to select account settings. So search for API settings, and here we need to hit on generate API token. Give the token name, then hit on generate API token. Then copy the token, come back to KonnectzIT account. Come back to KonnectzIT account. You need to paste the token here. Then hit on yes, continue. This is how we need to authorize Coda. Just hit on create connects. It takes to the visual builder. Here we need to build the workflow. First give the workflow name, that is Google Sheets to Coda. Now search for Google Sheets. Drag and drop Google Sheets. Choose the particular account. Choose the trigger, that is new row in sheet. Choose the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet is a task list. Go to that spreadsheet. So it is my spreadsheet. Here I have already created some columns with description, assignee, and status. We need to select this sheet. So go to KonnectzIT account, then choose the spreadsheet, that is task list, and choose the respective sheet, that is sheet 1, and then hit on test and review. Here we need to select particular fields, then hit on proceed. Choose your account, and it is the important step, so we need to add trigger. So click on add trigger. For select event type, so that we need to change from on open to on change. For failure notification settings also, we need to change from notify me daily to notify me immediately. Then hit on save. Again select your account, click on advanced, select the link. So here we need to give permission, hit on allow. So the trigger is added here. Then minimize the page. So here also the data is captured. Now search for Coda, drag and drop Coda. Choose the action, that is create row. Choose the document. So to create document, go to your Coda account. So if you click on blank document, you can create the document from scratch. If you select the template, you can use the template to create the document. So right now I have already created the document with the name task, so I'm selecting that one. Under that document with the table tasks 2, under this table we need to create row. So go to our KonnectzIT account again, and then choose the document, that is task. Choose the table, that is task 2, And now you need to map the fields from Google Sheets to Coda. So for summary, we need to map from description, then assignee, and then status. Then hit on test and review. Is the data sent to Coda? Go to your Coda account again. Is the data is captured here, means the row is added here. So this is how we need to integrate the Google Sheets and Coda. Go to your KonnectzIT account again and hit on publish. Hit on OK. So this ends your integration process. To double check whether the workflow is working properly or not, go to your spreadsheet account, go to your spreadsheet again and add another one row and go to your Coda account again. Yes, the row is added here. This is how we need to authorize. So this is how we need to integrate the Google Sheets and Coda. Thanks for watching the video.